Welcome to our YouTube video on making money online in 2023 with AI and work-from-home jobs. In this video, we will introduce you to the concept of earning money online and explain why this is a viable option for people looking to supplement their income or start a new career. We will explore the different ways you can make money online, including work-from-home jobs, freelancing, and using AI to generate income. We will also share insights and tips to help you get started and succeed in this exciting field. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash or start a full-time career, this video will provide you with the knowledge and resources you need to succeed. So, let's dive in and explore the world of making money online in 2023 with AI and work-from-home jobs. Making money online offers several benefits, such as flexibility in terms of location and schedule. With the rise of remote work and digital platforms, you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. This means you can enjoy the freedom of working from home, a coffee shop, or even a different country while still earning a living. Additionally, making money online has the potential for generating passive income, which means that you can earn money even when you're not actively working. This can be achieved through creating digital products, affiliate marketing, or even investing in stocks or cryptocurrency. Finally, making money online allows you to create your own schedule, which is particularly beneficial for those who want to balance work with other commitments, such as family or personal hobbies. By working on your own terms, you can achieve a better work-life balance and have more control over your time. In 2023, there will be a wide variety of work-from-home jobs available that allow you to earn a living from the comfort of your own home. Freelance writing is a popular option that involves creating written content for clients, such as blog posts, articles, and web copy. Virtual tutoring is another popular choice, where you can teach and mentor students online through video conferencing or online platforms. Online marketing is a growing field that involves promoting products and services through social media, email marketing, and other digital channels. Other work-from-home jobs available in 2023 include graphic design, web development, data entry, and customer service. With the increasing demand for remote work options, there will be even more opportunities for individuals to find their niche and work from home in a job they enjoy. AI is revolutionizing the way people make money online by providing new and innovative ways to generate income. One example of this is through chatbots, which are AI-powered virtual assistants that can answer customer inquiries and help with sales. Another example is using AI to analyze data and make predictions about consumer behavior, allowing businesses to create more effective marketing campaigns. AI is also being used to create content, such as news articles and social media posts, with companies like GPT-3 leading the way in this field. Additionally, AI is being used to automate tasks, such as customer service and data entry, which can save businesses time and money. In short, AI is changing the game when it comes to making money online by providing new and innovative ways to generate income that were not possible just a few years ago. Getting started with making money online can be overwhelming, but there are several tips and strategies you can use to set yourself up for success. First and foremost, it's important to set up a designated workspace at home to help you stay focused and productive. This could be a spare bedroom, a desk in a quiet corner, or any other space that allows you to work without distraction. It's also helpful to network with other online entrepreneurs to learn from their experiences and find potential collaborators or clients. Social media is a great tool for promoting your services and building a following, so it's important to establish a strong online presence through platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Additionally, it's important to continuously improve your skills and knowledge through online courses, webinars, and networking events. By implementing these tips and strategies, you can increase your chances of success when it comes to making money online. There are countless success stories of people who have revolutionized their income by making money online with AI and work-from-home jobs. One example is a freelance writer who was able to increase their income by taking on AI-generated content creation projects. Another success story is a social media marketer who used AI tools to analyze data and create more effective marketing campaigns for their clients. Additionally, there are many people who have turned their passions into profitable online businesses, such as creating and selling digital products, offering online coaching or consulting services, or starting a successful e-commerce store. These success stories highlight the power of leveraging technology and remote work to create new income streams and achieve financial independence. By sharing their experiences and insights, we can learn from their strategies and use them to achieve our own goals when it comes to making money online with AI and work-from-home jobs. Creating your own online business can be a rewarding and lucrative venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. The first step is to select a niche that you are passionate about and that has the potential for profitability. Once you've identified your niche, you'll need to research your target audience and develop a unique value proposition that sets you apart from the competition. From there, you can start building your website, which should be visually appealing and easy to navigate, with clear messaging and calls to action. To attract customers, you'll need to develop a marketing strategy that includes social media, search engine optimization, and paid advertising. You'll also need to provide exceptional customer service and continuously innovate your products or services to stay ahead of the competition. By following these steps and remaining dedicated to your vision, you can create a successful online business that provides financial freedom and personal fulfillment. When it comes to making money online, staying motivated and overcoming challenges is key to long-term success. One way to stay motivated is to set clear and achievable goals and to track your progress regularly. It's also important to surround yourself with a supportive community of fellow entrepreneurs who can offer advice and encouragement when you need it. Dealing with rejection is a common challenge when it comes to online business, but it's important to remember that failure is a natural part of the learning process. Managing your time effectively is another critical skill, as there will always be distractions and competing priorities that can derail your progress. Finally, staying up to date with industry trends and innovations is essential for staying competitive and providing value to your customers. By staying focused, persevering through challenges, and remaining adaptable to change, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your goals when it comes to making money online. The future of making money online with AI and work-from-home jobs is full of exciting possibilities. With the continued growth of automation and machine learning, we can expect to see new and innovative ways for entrepreneurs to monetize their skills and expertise. For example, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are already becoming common in industries like customer service and e-commerce, and are creating new opportunities for remote workers to provide support and generate income. Additionally, emerging technologies like blockchain and augmented reality are opening up new avenues for online business and creating new markets for products and services. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more disruption and transformation in the online business landscape. By staying abreast of these developments and remaining agile in the face of change, entrepreneurs can position themselves for success and seize new opportunities as they arise. If you're interested in exploring the world of making money online with AI and work-from-home jobs, now is the time to take action. There are countless opportunities out there waiting to be discovered, and with the right mindset and tools, you can start building the career or business of your dreams from the comfort of your own home. To help you get started, we've included links and resources in the video description below, including articles, courses, and online communities where you can connect with like-minded entrepreneurs and gain valuable insights and advice. Remember, making money online is a journey, not a destination, and it requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt along the way. But with the right mindset and support, you can achieve your goals and transform your life. So don't wait any longer. Start exploring the world of making money online today. Thank you for watching our video on revolutionizing your income with AI and work-from-home jobs. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or comments about the topics we covered, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers, and we're always happy to provide additional insights and advice to help you achieve your goals. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more videos on making money online, entrepreneurship, and personal development. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new content, and you'll have access to exclusive insights and tips that we share only with our subscribers. Once again, thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.